Hi, my name is Marietta Mehanni. Now I promised that I would show you another movement pattern that you can do with We Will Rock You by Queen. Now I'm not going to win any singing competitions whatsoever, but I do come up with some cool moves to do with songs. So this one is similar to what I showed a little while ago. So quick hold, quick hold. But you can play around with what we do with the legs. Last time I did it with the jog, but you can also do it very successfully with your cross-country ski legs. Quick hold, quick hold, quick hold, quick hold. Now this is a good one to do with your heels coming down to the bottom of the pool. Bop, bop, boom, bop, bop, boom, push out, push out, and pull the elbows right back. Keep the fingers open. And because you've got that stop and start, you'll really feel the abdominal muscles activate to, stop you and start the movement again. It works so well with this track. So go ahead, check out the other aqua tip that I did on this with the jogging pattern. And now you've got the cross-country ski pattern, which you could also add to that song. That really heavy rhythmic beat goes right throughout that song. It's not very long, so you can play around with some variations. And that is this week's aqua tip. Don't we love it when we have an easy aqua move to demonstrate? Yay! I don't think you need any equipment to help you with this demonstration, unless of course you are carrying an injury. But this works so well with this track, and that heavy beat, you just want to, you want to respect it enough to make sure that you do a move that goes with it. So the cross-country ski, quick, slow, not difficult to demonstrate. Quick, stop, quick, stop. Now the one thing that I do recommend that as an instructor is that you actually stop. Now I know that sounds pretty obvious that you would, naturally go boom, quick, stop, quick, stop. But what often I see is that it's not a full stop, it's a slow down. And if you want the participants to work with inertia, the start and the stop aspect of water, then you really need to demonstrate that and also reiterate it to your participants that that's what you want them to do. The beat and the music works well, but you might not be using that track, but want to use this piece of this move. And that's really important that you indicate that they need to stop. So with the cross-country ski, short range motion, which means we can keep our heels down and get really good activation of the hamstrings and the glutes. Quick stop, quick stop. And it's also important to highlight to your clients how far back the hand goes behind the body. Otherwise, it's going to be a quick stop here, quick stop here. And I really don't like those arm lines at all. And I do see it a lot more with my older clients, mainly because this is a terrible postural position. We're not getting any activation of those posterior muscles. And when your arms are doing this, trust me, your cross-country ski is also not pushing back far enough to get that good activation. So encourage the elbows to go back. That's absolutely key. So even though it's an easy exercise to demonstrate, there's things to take into consideration. I hope that you use this particular move. Click to subscribe so you can see all my other videos. And that is this week's aqua tip.